To buy vehicles in Farming Simulator 25, first we'll need to find the vehicle shop. So for this map that I'm currently playing, one of the vehicle shops are located right here. So now we can tag it and then move to that place. Then click on the interact button next to the door, and that way you'll be able to check all of the vehicles and accessories that you can buy. Let's buy this car. You can customize it. I like it how it is. Let's just buy it. Okay, now when we go out, our car should be next to the door and we can hop in and then start driving.